Hi, Jeff Waltman here, cooking with Son of a Butcher. Gonna do beer can chicken for you today. We've got our roasting pan. You can pick that up in any department store, Walmart, Target. We've got our beer can chicken holders. Pick those up at your local barbecue hardware store. And over here we've got two chickens. These are young roasters, about 6 pounds. We've got our Coors Light. You can use whatever flavor you'd like. And then we've got some fresh herbs that we're going to put in the chickens while we roast them. We're going to preheat our oven over here, 350 degrees. And we've got that heating up in there, 350. And we're going to cook these. These are 6 pounds, so 20 minutes a pound. So that's about 2 hours. So what you want to do is basically cut these open. You do that in your sink so that you get all this chicken juice and everything. You want to rinse those real good. There's usually a little piece of fat in there that you want to throw that out. But it's good to get that nice cold. You're using cold water, okay? Just rinse that out. Sometimes they'll put the giblets. There's no giblets. You can pull that fat off there. Basically what you're going to do is just rinse that real good, okay? We're dealing with raw chicken, so we want to make sure we're washing our hands before we touch anything that's not going to be cooked. You can actually drink that, but I'm going to pour that out. About 3/4 of a can. Put that in there. And you're going to stick your chicken in here. He's going to say, whoop, whoa, sounds pretty good. Feels pretty good there. We got chicken. So I'm going to do the other one the same way. All right, so this is the secret recipe of how to make beer can chicken taste like the best beer can chicken you've ever had. We've got our sea salt, some garlic powder, not garlic salt, black pepper, coarse ground, paprika, a little vegetable oil, and we've got some herbs that we're going to stuff down into the cavity of the bird. So we're going to just take those and we're going to stuff those down in here. Okay? Stuff those down in there. Okay. Yeah. Put that in there real good. And then we've got our lemon. Use a half a lemon. We're going to put that all over the lemon. And we're going to stuff this down in here. So that basically creates a sort of a cap, because the beer can in there, the beer gets hot and it's like a liquid, and it basically helps to cook the chicken. Gives it some good flavor. And then the special seasoning, we're going to take a little vegetable oil, get that bird all oiled up, and in no particular order. We got a little salt. Put a little sea salt on there, just like that. A little garlic powder. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real good. A little black pepper. You want to get those seasonings all around. You can, the best you can. And then the last one you want to put on there is the paprika. So put a little paprika on there. That's gonna be good. All right. We'll do the other one, and then they go in the oven for 2 hours. We'll see you when the birds are done. All right, time to put these two birds in the oven. Oh, there we go. In the oven, 350, and they will come out golden brown. And that's cooking with Jeff, Son of a Butcher. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Oh. 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, 350 degrees. We got our beer can chicken. Look at those birds. They're looking good. Got some nice crispiness here on the outside. That's gonna be real good. So this is a little bit tricky. Grab your tongs and hold this beer can down and then take him right out of there. Oh yeah, look at that. And you can plop him right there in the pan and put that over there in the sink. So here's our nice chicken. Got a nice crispy outside there, and these legs are gonna just come right off just like that. You know that thing is done. And so when you want to slice this up, you want to basically cut down here. That's the middle of the breast. There's the breastbone that's right in there. So you want to just look at that. Look how nice, juicy that is. And then just like if you're slicing your Thanksgiving turkey, you want to go across the grain, that breast, and then just slice that, the rest of that. Let's take a look, see what it tastes like. It's gonna be hot. Now that is some good chicken. Just remember, cooking with Son of a Butcher, Jeff Waltman.